DIY home decor on a budget. 10 innovative and affordable projects for smart and sustainable living. Are you dreaming of giving your home a fresh new look but worried about the costs? Don't worry, you don't need to break the bank to make your space feel stylish and cozy. In this video, we'll dive into 10 creative DIY home decor projects that are not only budget-friendly but also sustainable. Get ready to transform your living space with eco-conscious ideas that will leave both your home and your wallet looking great. Give your old furniture a second life by upcycling it. Whether it's repainting a worn-out chair, adding new handles to your dresser, or turning a tired table into a statement piece, the possibilities are endless. This is not only a great way to save money, but also a sustainable option for reducing waste. Mason jars are the unsung heroes of budget decor. From candle holders to hanging planters, these little jars can add charm and style to any room. Plus, they're an affordable option that's easy to customize with paint, twine, or even fairy lights. You don't have to be an artist to create stunning wall art. Grab some canvas, leftover paint, and your imagination. Abstract designs, geometric shapes, or even pressed flowers can create a beautiful focal point for your living room or bedroom. Repurposed wooden pallets are not just for industrial use. They can become sleek, rustic shelving units that offer both style and storage. Pallet shelves are perfect for displaying books, plants, or personal mementos and can easily be customized to suit your space. Transform your sofa or bed with new cushion covers made from thrifted fabrics. You can also create custom curtains, rugs, or even table runners to give your room a cozy, personalized feel, all without spending a fortune. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which DIY project you're excited to try out. We've got plenty more home decor tips and tricks coming your way, so stay tuned. Turn glass bottles or tin cans into unique candle holders with just a little bit of creativity. Simply clean the containers, paint or decorate them, and voila! You've got a chic, eco-friendly candle holder for any room. Houseplants are an affordable way to breathe life into your home, but instead of buying new pots, why not create your own planters? Old teacups, ceramic bowls, or even hollowed-out wooden logs can become stylish, natural planters that add a touch of greenery. Floating shelves are minimalist, space-saving, and incredibly easy to DIY. With just a few brackets and some reclaimed wood, you can create a sleek storage solution that adds both function and aesthetic to any room. Got some magazines or newspapers lying around? Turn them into art. By rolling, folding, or weaving the paper, you can create stunning decor pieces like wreaths, wall hangings, or even coasters. It's a fantastic way to recycle while adding a personalized touch to your space. Upgrade your boring light fixture with a DIY chandelier or lamp. Using materials like wire, beads, or even plastic spoons, you can craft a unique lighting piece that adds character to any room, all for a fraction of the cost of buying new. There you have it, 10 innovative and affordable DIY home decor projects that not only save money but also promote a more sustainable lifestyle. Ready to start your next project? Let your creativity shine, and remember, small changes can make a big impact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content.